Okay, so we have a biology question that says pure breeding dwarf garden pea plants were crossed with the pure breeding tall garden pea plant. The results were all tall. State the genotype of dwarf and tall garden pea plants. You must understand that the word pure, it simply means we are looking at what you call homozygous. Homozygous simply means the alleles are the same. It's either pure or meaning that it's either they are what you call dominant or recessive in terms of the allele, meaning they have the same genotype. Now here they have used the word what dwarf. Dwarf simply means short. To be short simply means not expressed the most, meaning they are the same. For example, if we have the same plants which are short, meaning they are not tall, meaning they are not expressed the most, it simply means these are what you call recessive, meaning that the genotype, the arrangement of the alleles are just pairs of information of genes. So meaning that these are recessive. Recessive, we use small letters. Now they have said the other one is what? It is tall, meaning we have the same plants, but the other plants are tall, meaning those are the ones which are what? Dominant. They have been expressed the most. So what you do here is this. You say, because the question is saying state the genotype. A genotype is just a pair of alleles. Now, since I've used the word pure and pure, simply means it's either they are dominant or recessive. So now let me start with the one for dwarf. So you say dwarf like this, you say dwarf like this. So what will be the genotype? Now, if we come back to dwarf here, they have said dwarf simply means short or recessive. So now, before I continue, you need to pick a letter. You can pick any letter of your choice, But remember, for the recessive, for the dwarf, we always use small letters since they are pure, meaning they're supposed to be the same. So the genotype will be, for example, we'll use T. So it will be T and T. So this is an allele, this is an allele. In simple terms, it simply means this is a gene, this is a gene. Inside the genes, that's where your information is being stored. This is the same information which tells the body how it's supposed to appear. So this is the answer for the dwarf. How about for the tall? So for the tall, we put like this. Now remember, tall simply means to be expressed the most, meaning they are what? Dominant. The alleles were dominant. So we're supposed to use what? Capital letters for T, like this, like this. So dominant in this case under the word pure simply means it's supposed to be what? It's supposed to be capital letters. This one under dwarf and we have used pure, it's supposed to be small letters, because we always use the same letters, but the difference is how you express the same letters. So this here is the answer.